hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Hey, today we're gonna be doing a reaction, bro. Look, I've been wanting to do like different stuff, but like, bro, there has not really been nothing to do, bro. I was about to do a video this morning. It was gonna be like a story time. It was about to be a story time, but I know y'all getting tired of seeing, bro. I feel like, well, I don't know, but I feel like y'all getting tired of seeing all these story times, all these reaction videos, because like, alright, see, the story times, they cool, but the reaction videos, even me, like, I'm the one who make them, and I don't really be like, yeah, they cool and all, but like, I don't really be like, you know what I mean? I don't be feeling them like I would other stuff. Even though like I ain't really did nothing else on my channel, but I'm trying to get to that point. And then I think I should be moving soon. We should be moving soon. Well, I'm not saying we, but I should be moving soon, so that could probably be a video. But you already know what the deal is. You already know what I'm about to say. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so that you can be notified for more of my videos. And go check out my other videos, because you know them ones be lit. You know all my videos be lit, and all we be doing is just vibing over here. You know what I'm saying? We just be vibing and chilling. And drop a like and give me a 20 likes, man. Y'all still playing, bro. Like, y'all know y'all trying. Y'all know y'all want to give me a 20 likes, but y'all not. Y'all doing too much. But what was I about to say? But yeah, y'all just stay tuned, because hey, look, I haven't even been dropping that many videos because I was doing a lot of stuff yesterday, and I was just hanging out with fam. So before I get into this video though, I'm about to hold on, I gotta start the screen record. Hold on. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bro, people can't drive for nothing though, for real. You already know I got gas up.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed.
Bro.
So if you enjoy this...
Oh, shut up, dude. Yeah? Good stuff. This is okay, bro. Yeah? Good stuff. This is okay, bro. I got you? Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I wasn't even paying attention. I don't know who got hit.
Oh, that's happening here.
Two motorcycles hit. That nigga right here. Dude ran into the back of the car.
You need me.
What's that? Dude, I can't wait till I see these ads on my video. Dude, they ran off of car. Oh yeah. Hey, if y'all follow me on, hold on. If y'all follow me on social media, I be putting my link like Snapchat, Instagram. I ain't do Twitter because my Twitter be acting stupid. Hold on. But if y'all follow me on like Snapchat and stuff, bro, like why is my shit burning like this? If y'all follow me on like Snapchat and stuff, then y'all see like the stuff I be posting on there, bro. My uncle, we was last night, we was racing people, bro. We was racing people. We was like driving hella fast, bro. And like his car got, oh shit, y'all make sure the screen don't turn off because that shit be irritating. Like, bro, look, his car got hella handles and shit, right? So nigga, we was going like, we was doing like 80, 90 on a turn, like y'all see how that dude just crashed? Bro, we was doing that. We was doing like 80 on a turn like that. And that mug got heck of handles. So if y'all follow me on Snapchat, y'all can go see all that if you go over there. Fuck. What happened? What? Bop. Oh yeah, I seen this one at the beginning of the video. Look at dude. Look what he about to do. That nigga said, fuck this. I ain't got insurance. Is he the one who caused the wreck? I don't know what happened. Dude hopped out the car hecka fast. Why this video ain't got no sound to it? Bro, I be trying to do the video like this because the video gonna be right here. It's gonna be on the side, so I'm gonna be looking at it right there. Who caused that? Did he like? He must have read a light or something. He's stupid. He wasn't supposed to go yet. That nigga, he's stupid. He wasn't supposed to go yet. He probably had a yield because when that person on the other side light turned green, obviously your stuff blinking yellow or it's red. Then it's gonna say stop, but you gotta stop, but you gotta yield at that light. Hey, my bad. I keep pausing it. But look, when I had did that permit test, I should have did a video on it. So all the people who ain't got their license yet, I could have had y'all, you know what I'm saying? I could have cheated for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Cheated for y'all so that y'all can when y'all take y'all permit, y'all can just get all the answers. But they said we can't use our phones in there. And then look at my stupid ass. The fucking phone turned off. I hate that shit, dog. So now I gotta start this shit all the way back up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This motherfucker love going out. What the fuck he doing? Dude was about to turn. I don't know what that.
Gulo! Road rage lang wala. Non-stop. Iraray totoo. Sige, tanay naman gulo. Niyata. People these days. Ay. Sige, gulura. Gulura lang mula.
Ay. People do be having a lot of ass though.
Magpatuloy nila. And
Stupid.
sige. Dito ka mo. Sige, go for it.
What the fuck nigga doing?
Talapusan niya ano mga love.
Nigga. Hold on. Bro, never mind. My shit keep going out. Hey,
Shit.
dude went in front of dude.
Well, that's good.
What they doing?
Yun ang scenery today. Later!
Hold on. Where the hell they live at? Because if that's the way this shit go, that's stupid. Like, nigga, what? Whoever created they shit, nigga, they gonna cause hella wrecks. I'm pretty sure hella wrecks happened right there already. I'm sure they did, bro. If you look at the way the fucking street set up. I don't know why some of these videos don't be having no sound to it.
But they'll catch him, won't they? Said Hermione earnestly. They've got all the money lining up for him to. What's that noise? Said Ron suddenly. A faint tinny sound.
Oh, that's what I don't be knowing.
They talk from the
I don't be reading the things that be happening. I mean the things at the bottom. I'm stupid. Dude gonna cause a wreck. And you doing that all by some diesels, bro? Nobody.
Very fast and calm Ron's Is that a sneakoscope? Said Hermione interestedly, standing up for a better. Yeah.
Can this one hurry up? Hey, car coming soon, so I'm gonna be doing a heck of vlog, bro. Because when I get my own car, bro, I'm gonna be doing a lot of vlogs and stuff because I'm gonna have my own car, bro. I'm high as fuck. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Nah, but really what I'm saying though, I'm gonna have my own car and I'm gonna be doing more vlogs because I know y'all be wanting to probably see different stuff and I'll be doing a lot of stuff because I can't do a lot of stuff with my grandma. Baby, shut up. I'm talking too much. $300, huh? I be seeing stuff like that on the highway all the time. This video 14 minutes. Hey, There's a lot more to this video, but I ain't gonna watch all that because this video gonna be hell long. And I hate making long ass videos. But look, that's it for right now. Make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm about to drop some more videos. I need to, bro, because I've been lacking. I ain't really been dropping videos like that because I've been doing other stuff, you know what I'm saying? I just been chilling, like, bro. I need to get up and grind. But look, man, you already know what the deal is, and you already know what I'm about to say. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for more of my stuff. Drop a like, give me 20 likes, man. That's all I ask for. And y'all can comment anything y'all want if y'all want to. But I'm out this bitch, no cap. Y'all stay safe.